In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the price for product variant in Wix. To get started, open your Wix site dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand menu, find Store Products, then expand that section and click on Products. This will take you to the area where all of your store items are listed and managed. From here, click on the product name that contains the variants you want to update. This is important because variant pricing is adjusted inside the individual product settings, not from the general product list. Make sure you open the correct product so you are editing the right item before making any changes. After the product page opens, scroll down through the editing screen until you reach the Inventory and Options section. This is where Wix gives you control over things like product choices, stock tracking, and variant-specific settings. If you have not used variant pricing before, this is the section that allows you to manage each option separately. In that panel, look for the setting called Manage Variant Pricing and Inventory. Turn this toggle on so it becomes active. Enabling this option is what tells Wix that each variant can have its own pricing and inventory details. Without turning this on, the variants may continue using the same default product price. Once the setting is enabled, a table will appear with your product variants listed in rows. Take a moment to locate the exact variant you want to change. This is especially helpful if your product has multiple sizes, colors, or other combinations. When you find the correct row, click directly into the price field for that variant and type in the new price you want to use. Be careful to enter the correct amount before saving, since each row corresponds to a specific version of the product. If you are updating more than one variant, you can go through the table and edit each price field as needed. When you are done, go to the top right corner of the dashboard and click the blue Save button. This final step applies your pricing changes and updates the product variant settings in your Wix store. That covers everything you need to know.